Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to make bill payment from a DBS mobile application. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection, and then without any further delay, let's get started. So then you'll have to log in into your mobile banking account. Next, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So after that, you'll have to tap on pay and transfer, which is right at the bottom. So after you tap on pay and transfer, next you'll have to swipe towards your left hand side and then tap on bills, which is right on top. After you select bills, next page you'll have to select the recipient or the billing organization you wish to make payment to. So after you're done entering the information, next you'll have to enter the amount that you wish to transfer, and after you're done, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. Now on the last interface, all you have to do is make sure to review all of your information correctly, and after you're done confirming, tap on pay now to complete your billing payment request. So that is how you can make bill payment from a DBS mobile application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.